In this video, I'm going to show you how to add fonts to Adobe After Effects. Right now, you can see that I already have a text layer selected on my screen. To change the font of any text, the first step is to make sure your text is selected. Once selected, look to the right side of your screen, where you'll find the font settings. Within this panel, you can adjust the font family and other text properties. You'll see a list of available fonts here, but sometimes your favorite font might not appear. For example, I searched for a font named Straight, and as you can see, it's not available in the list. To install a new font like this one, you need to start by completely closing Adobe After Effects. Once the application is closed, open any web browser and in the search bar, type in Dafont and hit Enter. Click on the first result that appears. Once on the site, you'll notice a search box on the right-hand side. In that box, type the name of the font you want and press Enter. This will display all fonts related to that search term. Browse through the results, find the font you like, and click the Download button located next to it. This will download a zip file containing the font to your computer. Navigate to your Downloads folder and locate the zip file. If you prefer to stay organized, you can move this zip file to another folder. Right-click on it and choose Extract Here to extract its contents. Once extracted, double-click the font file to preview it. Then, click the Install button to install the font onto your system. After installation is complete, reopen your project in Adobe After Effects. Select your text layer, and once again go to the Font Family section on the right-hand panel. Now type in the name of the font you just installed. This time you'll see it appear in the font list. Simply select the new font, and it will be applied to your text. That's how you can easily add new fonts to Adobe After Effects.